Hello everyone, let's write a simple C++ program on topic function overloading. So when we say function overloading, it means a multiple function can have same name with different parameter. Or you can just say that a multiple function can have same name as long as the number or the type of parameter are different. Okay. So here is a very simple example where we're going to add a number of different types using two functions. So let's start the program with header file hash include istream okay using instance std. So according to this example, this question, it says like to add a number of different type using two functions. So we're going to declare here two functions. So let us declare the first functions, and when we declare a first function, we know that a function has a data type. Suppose our data type for this function is int, and then you write the function name. Function name you can give anything like according to the question. So according to this example, let us give a function name as class function. Okay, this is our function name. Right now, inside here you can declare a parameter like para1, para2, para3. Okay, likewise you can declare a parameter, or you can just say an argument. Okay, so according to this question, let us declare two parameter or three. So let's take two parameter. So in the first parameter, let us declare the first variable whose data type is int and the variable name is x. Likewise for the second parameter, the variable name is y, okay, whose data type is int. So this is the first para, the second para. You can take the third para also, like x, y, z. Okay, let us take only two parameter here, two argument. So let me keep the comment here. First function declared. Now I want to add this x and y. Okay, after adding, and I want to return it. So inside the body of the main function has a body, right? So this is the body of the function. So here just return x plus y. This is what we are going to return. So this is the first function done. Now let us declare the second functions. Okay, so the data type for the second function be double, and the function name okay. Now the parameter one, suppose the data type is double x double y. Function has a body. Inside here I want to return the addition of x plus y. Okay, this is what we want to return. So here you see this this function. Okay, the function name you can give different also here, like function plus function 1 plus function 2. It doesn't matter, you can give different different name also for the function, but right now we are taking the same name here, plus function, because we know that in function overloading a multiple function can have same name, right? You see, it's a multiple function. This is function 1. We have a function more than one, right? So this is first function, second function. So in that case, multiple function can have same name. That's why I have taken the same name. But make sure that their data type is int and double, then the parameter is int x, double x. It should be different, even if the function names are same, but data type and parameter should be different. Okay, and why we are doing this? Because instead of defining two functions that should be doing the same thing, it's better to overload one. That's why we have taken the same function. Now after declaring the function name only, we declare the main function, right? So let the main function of this program, of this main function, the data type be int, so int, and the main function has body. Inside the body I'm going to declare a new variable. Suppose data type for that new variable is int, and the variable name you can give anything. Let us give my num1. Okay, this is our first variable I have declared. And why we have declared this variable? Because here you see this one, what my name1 is the variable whose data type is integer type, who's going to store the result of this function. Okay, so that's why I write this here, plus function and the value for x and y here. Any value you can give, suppose 4,5, then semicolon. Likewise for the second function also you need to write it the variable, because my variable name here is my num2. Okay, now equals to, then the function name and the value you can give anything, 7,8, right? Now next is cout. Int, this is a sentence which I want to display on that black screen as an output, right? So I'll write it here, and then let us write this variable name here. Instead of writing this function name plus functions, we do not write this plus function. Okay, we need to write the variable name of this plus functions, and the variable name for this plus function is my num1. And why do we write this my num1? Because this is a variable which stores the result of this function, plus function. That's why we write this my num1, and without a double inverted comma. We do not write double inverted comma here. Okay, we do not write like this. This is not the way. We just write it without double inverted comma, because we are going to take only the value. We are not going to display this my num on that black screen. This is what this sentence is going to get displayed on that black screen, but not this. My num1 won't display, only the value, only the result of this plus function it will take. That's why we write this name here like this. Okay, now slash new line, slash n means if you want to give a new line, then we write slash n. Likewise for the second function also you write a cout. The variable name for this is my num2. Okay, now return 0. Why return 0? Because our main function is of int type. That's why it's return 0. It's going to return a value, or you can just see it's end of this main functions. Okay, now let us compile. Before compiling, we need to give a name for this file. Right now we do not have name here, so let us give the name. So Control S, you give the name, any name you can give. Suppose this program name is function .cpp. cpp is the extension for this C++. Okay, so now this file has a name, that is function.cpp. so before running we need to compile it. Go to build, compile. Okay, we do not have any error. Now we can run. Oh, can you see the output? So this is how we can write your simple C++ program using the concept of function overloading. Okay, thank you.